呢個係一個book nook， 跟住佢係呢度可以開燈，然後佢入邊就有個 like wizard， 係一個I don't know 書房咁樣嘅東西。OK， and then 有呢個係一個 oh my god， like 一個鋪頭 or something， 跟住佢係一個玻璃樽入邊，跟住入邊嗰啲全部都係自己逐粒砌咗好耐。呢個砌得最耐，好細但係砌好耐。and then 呢個係一個Harry Potter 嘅，你要行開啲啦，我諗。呢個係一個 Harry Potter 嘅等我放低呢個電話先。OK， and then 佢可以開燈啦，跟住你就可以見到佢係嗰個 Harry Potter 嘅 Great Hall，and then sorting ceremony， 跟住佢係有嘢食，同埋有鬼，有蠟燭，有this， 跟住最後呢一個就係，oh my god， 呢個係一個圖書館咁樣嘅 something like that。it's like an office and a library。跟住有個鋼琴 and then 有個書，仲有其他嘢，but no，that's it，thank you。